Hi, Captain Crunch here from DesktopHero.net. Today we're going to look at the Vlookup formula in Excel 2007. As you can see, we have our data laid out. We have our table 1 with player, position, team, catches, and yards, but the unknown variable is conference. And what we want to do is take a lookup value from our table 1 and look at it in table 2. If we find a match, we're going to turn the adjacent column into our answer over here in column F. To demonstrate, I'm going to type in equal Vlookup and then an open parenthesis. Now the lookup value is what you're going to be looking up in your other table and expecting to find a match for. In this case, we want to do the team. So I'm going to choose cell C8 and do a comma. And next is my table array. The table array is where you're going to be looking for your match and the array that has your answer as well. In this case, we're going to highlight our data over here from I8 all the way down to J39, and that's going to be our table array. We're going to hit F4 and lock that in to make it an absolute reference, meaning that that range will stay the same if we drag the formula down. We're going to go ahead and put another comma, and the last thing here that we're going to need from our array is the column index number. And what that is the starting with your first column in your array, you're counting over to the right how many columns until you get to the column that has the answer you want. In this case, our answer is in column 2 of our array. We start with 1 at our team all the way over to the left, and then count 2 to the conference, which is what we want to find out. So I'm going to put 2 here. And the last variable here is almost always going to be false, meaning that we want an exact match. Okay, cap it off with an in parenthesis and hit enter. And you can see that our team, the WAS, is in the National Conference. So we go ahead and drag that down, and we see that Drew Bennett is in the American Conference, and Michael Clayton is in the National. Let's go ahead and spot check this, and we'll look up Drew Bennett. He's on Tennessee. We go down to Tennessee and we see that it's in the American Conference, and that's our answer. Okay, that's a quick look at the VLOOKUP formula. If you have any questions, please feel free to post a comment or shoot me an email.